Hello friends, today I am sharing this very beautiful floral design suitable for beginners also. This is how it looks under natural light and this is how it looks under artificial lighting. The nail polish looks a bit deeper in color. And this is one of my favorite violet polishes and it's from the Glimmer Gel like finish collection. It's not a gel polish, it's a regular polish, but it gives the look of a gel polish. So for this design, first I applied a cream color on my nails and then I used acrylic color to make the flower. You can also use nail polish, but it's easier to work with acrylics. So I'm making a 3-petal flower on the center. So simply make 3 petals and pull it downwards a little bit as shown. Then I elongated the central petal a little bit. After the main flower, I made 2 more little flowers, kind of like buds, on the 2 sides of the main flower in a similar manner, but giving it just 1 petal. Once the flower dries up, I used black polish to border it and make the stalk. And I repeated the same process on the 2 single petaled buds also. Then using the same black polish, I made a simple curved line on the side as there was some empty space. And I also added a leaf on the lower part and some details on the flower. And I also made a bunch of leaves on top of the main flower. Now allow the design to dry off completely, and then the final step is giving it a layer of glossy top coat so that the design gets sealed in and lasts longer. And I also added 2 rhinestones, one on the flower and one on the sideline. Press the rhinestone down thoroughly so that it stays stuck for a longer time, and your easy floral nail art design is done. On my ring finger, I made this very easy striping nail art design. For this, I applied the same cream polish and then I used a silver polish to make the central longitudinal line. This polish was a little bit old, so it was a little bit clumpy, but after top coat it will look alright. Then I bordered it using the same violet color which I'll be using on my other nails. So on both the sides I gave a violet border. Afterwards, I used a glimmery gold polish to give on top of the silver line so that it gets a little bit more sparkle. And once the design dries up, I applied a layer of glossy top coat to seal in the design and to smoothen out the upper part of the nail art. On my pointer finger, little finger and thumb, I used this beautiful violet polish. And I gave 2 to 3 layers of this polish, and on my pointer finger I also added 1 rhinestone near the cuticle, and this very easy nail art design is also done. I hope you liked this very easy floral nail art design, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thanks for watching.